Hey, hi, myself Sharyanath, and today I will be teaching you how to implement the GA4 into Google Tag Manager. For that, you require a Google Tag Manager account and a GA4 account. So I will start from the beginning. Here, I need to type Google Tag Manager in the search button. Here, the first link which is coming up, website tag management and tools. Here, I need to click. Now, next is start for free. Right? This is your Google Tag Manager. Right? Now I need to write my company name. I will type it is Institute Ranking. Right? This is the name. I need to select the country from where I am operating. Next, I need to write the container name. Here, I need to give the website name. So that's the best option, as you can recognize very well. Now I need to select the web because this is a website container, right? And click on create. I now here you need to select the language we want to prefer. Click on this, accept activity, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on yes. Wait for some time. Now your GTM container is created, right? Now at the beginning, as you can see here, changes not published. So it is always recommended that an empty container should be published at least once. So I will submit here, see, like this. This is the publish button. I publish the container. Now I can start with the work. So here you can see these are the versions. Basically, this is the empty container. I've submitted the empty container. Now the container name can be given. Here it is being submitted by me. This is the version 2. This is the latest live. It's showing, right? Now I will go to GA4. So that is very basic where I have told you how you will create a GTM container, right? So let's do one thing. We will do the basic of the GTM container. So which we need to do. Number one, we need to activate the variable. Here in the variable section, you can click on here in configuration. Here you will see the variables which are enabled at the beginning. Now you need to select those variables which you want to measure or want to see, right? So this variable needs to be enabled. It's done. Now, now we go to Google Analytics 4. So see, I will type here. One. So here you can see sign in Google account, right? I click here. So I don't have an analytics account, so I will do. Let's say we select an account, it is test one. So here, now you see how we go with it. Here we have the option for admin. Okay, check it. Here you click on admin. Here, here you can see this is the create button. You need to create an account first and then a property. So I create an account here. So account name has to be given. I will type my company name. I need to click on next. Now property details, property name. I need to give a property name. I will give it again initiative ranking. The name are given similar so that it becomes easier for us to identify. Now here I will have to select the reporting time zone. So it is from India. So I will select India here. The timing has been selected automatically. Now the currency has to be selected. So it is Indian rupees. Click on next. Now you need to select the type of industry. So ours is the service industry and the option is not available. Then you can select on other business activity. Select the business type and click on next. Now you can see there are total 5 types of business business objective which are there. So here, whichever objective you choose for the GA4, you need to select it. One is generate lead, one is drive online sales, one is raise brand awareness, examine and get baseline report. So if you click on the baseline report, so it will generate only the baseline report, that is the basic report of how many visitors are there, how many link clicks are there. So if you click on this, then this four will be nullified. So it is better that you go for the required data from here and click on create. Now you need to accept it and continue. Here you need to select the business objective. Here is the start collecting data from where, which platform. Here from which platform, that is your website or your Android app or iOS app. So I am having the website. If I click on web, here you will have to give the website URL. So I give the website URL. Then save. So now you need to give the team name. I've given the team name. It is for your recognition, like how will you recognize which account you have created. Now I need to check over here in the setting. This is the enhanced measurement parameters which are there. Page view, scroll, outbound click, site search, form interaction, video engagement, and file download. So these are automatically calculated or been these data are automatically been captured by GA4. So you need to click on save and create team. The team has been created. Now here, as you can see, this is the measurement ID. This is your GTM content. Now what we will do, we will implement this on Google Tag Manager, right? So we go on tag, click on new, select the trigger, that is all page, because we need to fire the Google Tag page view event. Here is the Google tag, select the Google tag, then tag ID. This tag ID is basically the measurement ID. You need to copy it from here and paste it over here. Click on save. You can rename it as per your comfortable. I have named the event as page view. It is the page view event. I click on save. This is the GA4 page view event created, right? Now we need to do certain basic setup in Google Analytics 4. Let's start with it. Okay, so you can see the name, the institute ranking, right? You go on admin over here. Now you need to click on data collection. Here you need to click on get started. This is done for the data to be collected in GA4. So you need to activate this so that the data is being collected from GTM to GA4. So I have started it. Now user data collection acknowledgement. You need to acknowledge that yes, you are allowing the data to be collected by GA4, right? Then this is the data retention. Here you can go with the data retention. So minimum duration retention period is 2 months. So you can extend it up till 14 months. That is allowed in GA4 and click on save. Now go to report and click on this create. You need to select that which all insight you want to see in the report. Here you can select all of them and create selected. Click on create selected. Right? So this is the basic setup of GA4, and this is we have created the GA4 page view event. Now I will show you a demo of how the event is working. I need to click on preview here. Now I need to give the link of the website URL, that is basically URL, and click on connect. Now as you can see, the GTM is now connected to the website. This is the institute ranking website. So here in the tag assistant, you will be able to see the page view event firing. It is firing in container loaded. Here, this is the event. This you can see the status, right? So this is how you have implemented the GA4 in Google Tag Manager. Now rest of the event you need to click on new and then create the trigger and the tag and then accordingly create the event for the different tracking for different event like you can create for call click, mail click, form submission, etc. So for that you need to create from here. That I will show it in other video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.